Virginia Beach crawl space holding stormwater? Stay out and keep power hazards in mind. The water source and flood zone rules change what should happen next. Do not enter standing water or touch wet wiring, outlets, ductwork, or equipment. Virginia Beach warns against entering areas where floodwater may meet electricity. If you cannot safely isolate power from a dry location, wait for qualified help. From dry ground, photograph the water level, foundation vents, downspouts, yard slope, street drain, and the time rain or high water began. Note odors and whether water rises with rainfall, tide, or indoor plumbing use. The city's stormwater extension program explains that private property flooding can have different causes and offers guidance and possible site visits. Use 311 for public drainage or standing water reports, but do not assume the city will repair a private drainage condition. Ask a restoration provider to measure wood moisture, inspect insulation and ductwork, and document whether sewage or fuel contamination is present. Drying equipment should follow source control, electrical clearance, and a written moisture map. Virginia Beach requires permits for development in mapped special flood hazard areas and tells owners to check before starting flood protection work. Verify the flood zone and permit path before adding fill, changing drainage, or rebuilding crawlspace components. To locate a water damage or crawlspace provider, call 877-320-4994. Again, that is 877-320-4994. This service connects callers with independent local providers. Availability varies by location.